Hey guys, I'm doing videos on the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's cases so that you can have a look and decide which cases that you'd like. If you find any of this useful, or if you're looking for those videos, I'm going to try add this to a playlist so that you can check this out, or check out the channel, subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, like it up or use the links to purchase some of them. I'm very excited. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the standing grip case for the S25 Ultra. This, oh, I've still got the bracket case on here. I've got to take this off. I forgot that it was on. I'm going to take this off. We have a nude phone. Great. This was my case of choice for the S24 Ultra because it's practical. And here's some of the colors it comes in. I think these ones are a little bit subdued. And I think maybe that's a good thing because Samsung have always used this case as like a big bright orange, or big, you know, it's there to showcase something. But I'm gonna open the white one first because I think this is the one that people should be getting because it looks banging. Let's have a look. So this is a very functional case, and I'll show you why. And this is and I'll show you why it's my go-to favorite. Oh my goodness, I have to show my wife this after this. She's gonna love it. So. No, it did not. Okay, I was so excited. So the standing grip cases for the S24 Ultra. There were more silicon cases. So this is the S24 Ultra's one, and it's all silicon all the way around. This year, clearly, they've made these with a clear case and put this on the back of a clear case. No, I'm not a fan. That's not cool. Let's just put this on and have a look. Man, I was so excited. I mean, it looks nice. Maybe that would be a little bit bulky, too bulky with the silicon edges. But, I mean, it looks nice. But it's basically a clear case with some stuff on the end, back for aesthetics, I guess. So, no camera cutouts, individual. They've got this rim that they've created with the design. I like it. I think it looks really cool. I was very skeptical at first. The sides are just clear case sides. And of course, because it's a clear case, or it's a hard shell clear case, it's not even rubber. If it was a rubber clear case, I might even go with it. But man, I'm so disappointed. Look, if you don't care about clear cases, or the differences, or if you prefer clear cases, maybe this is the phone that you've been looking for, the cover case you've been looking for. But man, I'm upset. And then the S Pen comes out really easily. This is all exposed. It's really cool. It's protruding, over the lenses, which is good. So the cameras are saved from damage. I wonder why they chose this route. So how these standing grip cases work, if you didn't know, is you can take this bar and you pull it down and then it clicks. There we go. And then it's not only a cool little way to put your fingers and, the phone won't fall, but it also becomes a stand for your phone. And I really like this color. I think this pink and white is really cool. Man, I'm bleak that this isn't like a full silicon case. And then you push this back. Why is this so hard? No, Gemini. Oh, this is tough. Okay, that's weird as well. Oh, there we go. They're usually pretty cool. Okay, let's have a look at the other ones. Maybe, I think they're all gonna have this issue for me. But again, it's a taste thing. It's not an issue. It's a taste thing. Some people prefer a clear case. Yep, they're all going to be clear cases, and they think it's more elegant. Maybe people complained about the silicon case last year. Who knows? Samsung, no. There must be a reason behind the madness, but it's not something that I am a fan of. And to be honest with you, I'm a little disappointed. It is what it is. So let's jump. Yeah. Okay. So these are the other two finishes next to the white one. The white one I still think is the best looking one, actually, out of this whole lot over here. But the black one, you pull that down, a little bit more subdued. It's like a blue color. This, what you call it, like a beige gray. It's like a warm gray with that color underneath. Also a little bit more subdued, more professional. And I guess this is the more playful one. It's gonna leave an impression when you take this one out. But yeah, it is useful to have a grip case to be able to hold it and make sure it's more secure. Stick this on a pole if you need to, if you're filming yourself, or whatever the case is. Or, just propping it up on your table. If you've got kids, it's really nice to, if they're watching YouTube at a restaurant or something, you can just prop it up and then they can just watch it. Oh. Anyway, that's the standard grip case for the S25 Ultra. It might be for you, it might not be. I'm disappointed as somebody who's coming from the full silicon vibe. I've heard this, man. Full silicon vibe is a vibe. But it is what it is. There must be a reason they've done this. It is a little bit easier to hold because it's smaller. Maybe they just do this with the Ultras. I don't know. I haven't seen the S25 Plus or the S25. standing grip cases. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you with me on that, or are you like okay with it as it is? And which one is your favorite color? Do you like the fact that they've gone for a more subdued route, or were you looking for something a little bit brighter and more happy? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.